Hi guys, my name is Tessa. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Welcome back. In today's video we're making chicken wraps from scratch at home. So I'm just gonna link a video where I got the recipe from, but basically you just put like 1 or 2 cups of flour depending on how many you want to make, and then some salt to taste and 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then you mix and make a paste. It's better if you watch the other video that I linked so that you can get to see how, because I couldn't film this on my own and I had to do some parts of this off camera. So once your dough is ready, then you just need to flour the surface, and you need your rolling pin, and then you part the dough into how many pieces you want to make. And then you use your rolling pin to roll them as flat as possible into a size that fits into your pan, or as big as you want them to be. And then because this is a dry fry, you don't need any cooking oil or water in the pan. You're just gonna put your pan on the stove on medium heat, and then you're gonna place the rolled wrap into the pan, and then when you see like it forms like bubbles, then that means the one side is done, and then you flip it over. So this is how the finished product looks like, and when you fill it up with chicken or whatever meat that you like. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, share, and I'll see you in the next video.